Well, after all this rain today, it's nice out here now. And so I'm doing a little ride along in a different area. I was out on the back roads today in the pouring rain. Visibility was really bad. Water across the roads and everything. But it was nice. It just doesn't seem as much like October because we've had such hot weather and basically no rain for such a long time, 2 or 3 months, and almost none. And so the leaves turned brown and some of them fell off or blew off or whatever, and we don't have very much color. But I'm thinking we may have color after this. But here in Kentucky, a lot of times, I'm not sure, but it seems like we have to have a frost to bring the color on very much. I can't tell really too good what I'm getting for you here, but I hope you like it. And thank you for riding along with Sharon. And remember to subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you do. I appreciate it when you like them. And okay, so I'm getting ready to turn on the east-west connector, assuming I can get to turn. Traffic, it's a bad time to be out with traffic, and right back there a little bit the lights were out, so they were all flashing red. I got over too quick, I think. So the lights were flashing red, and so everybody had to stop and then go on, let other people through and things, because there's no way to know whose turn it was. Right? I'll turn the signal off because I'm in this lane. They'll know I'm turning, and I've already given the signal. So. Testing out this little thing in here that I got from TikTok shop just to see how it worked for like a regular camera, because before just setting it on the dash, braking, it would just quickly, and it probably would now too if I braked real hard, but just kind of braking, sometimes it would knock it over. Well, I'd put it on a cloth and everything, and it was difficult. So I'm hoping this will work out good. Now it might bounce around a little bit, but maybe not too much. Ooh, look at that sky. It's marvelous. Big dark clouds though, right? Ooh, that's bright on the eyes. I got sunglasses on, thankfully. Which connects the east end of Frankfort to the west end of Frankfort and so forth. And I'm going west at the moment. It's not raining, I guess, but these tires are throwing a lot of, from people's automobiles, throwing it up on the windshield. I better slow my roll just a little bit. They're not. It's 55 miles an hour, I think, so I don't want to go too fast either, I'm going to get over so he can go faster than me. He or she, right? So. Adjusted exactly like I want it to be. And over there is the Sage Garden on the other side. I really like that place. I love the atmosphere. Just the atmosphere is so great. Sage Garden Cafe. And if you ever have an opportunity, if you don't buy anything else either, and you might, but if you don't, get the herb roasted, I guess it is, potatoes, little red potatoes with butter and herbs. Oh, I mean, it's worth it to just go in there and get a couple of servings of that and something to drink. I mean, it really is. It's that good. Or it was. I haven't been there in quite a while, but yeah, it's so good. And if you turn right here, they have the Kentucky State College. Just, go straight up this road and straight across the road. They've grown a lot. They've built some more buildings, and I don't know if they've built more dorm rooms, or if they have dorm rooms. I guess they do. I don't know a lot about it, but my daughter, she has 2 college degrees, and she graduated from there once. She'd already graduated from another college before that, but she went back and got a different degree there, so. See how those tires are getting me right there? I think about slowing down a little even more. Whoa, look how cloudy it is. But the sun is wanting to shine through. Like I said, thank you for riding along with me. I appreciate it. See just a little smidgen of color in these trees. Not much for October like this, but I imagine it's going to be here. It's been in the 60s all day. It finally made it up to 70 here, and it's 5:32 in the evening, so by the way, I'm loving this thing I bought on the TikTok shop. It's just really super great to set my camera on. I mean, it's really, I like it a lot. Seeing a little more color right here in the trees. Very cool, still on the east-west connector. Can't really see the river from here, but I wanted to go somewhere and just see how the creek is. I saw that the water was up in the creek when I was on the back roads today, but the thing in my area between Versailles and Frankfort, I think in France they call it Versailles, but here in Kentucky we call it Versailles. Spells Versailles, so we down to earth folks here and stuff. So, but I was there on the back roads and everything, but it was, like I said, pouring rain and everything. I was surprised a while ago when the sun came out. The creeks were I saw the creeks. We have some lovely creeks around here. I love creeks. I love rain. I don't like flooding. As I said earlier, I don't like flooding. But I love it when the creeks are, just ripping and roaring and jumping and just not flooding people. That's all. Look at this. Isn't this pretty though? Look at that sky. So nice. And I am not against gray clouds either. I love the color gray too. And I love most colors. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, guess I'm stopping right here. I think I'll get over here behind him though, just because it's going to be where I'm going to need to be. Frankfort has a First Watch restaurant now, and I've been to the one in Georgetown several times, but I've never been here to this, and they've had it open for a while, but I have been doing a diet that I can't get to eat what they have there that I love. If you go to First Watch, excuse me, and you can have what you want, you might want to try their yogurt granola bowl with fresh fruit, and you get a nice muffin with that choice of 2 different muffins, whichever one you want with that. And it's just like, it's super creamy yogurt, sweet, delicious, perfect. Just perfect. Can't wait till I'm getting ready to try one again. Maybe here. Maybe I'll do it here in Frankfort. See what they got going on. Hope this isn't jumping around too much with this camera. I don't know. Oh, they're tearing the bank down over there. That used to be Farmers Bank, and I think it was something else too before that maybe. And then it went to West Banco, but West Banco built a new one next door. And so they've got their equipment over there tearing this one down. I understand they're going to put a restaurant there. Frankfort is growing. They're building this big shopping center. It's going to have a lot of places in it, several restaurants and a Wawa gas station and a Target and things like that. It's going to be great. Haven't been to Frisch's Big Boy in a while either, but I would like to go there. Or Chick-fil-A here on the side. I haven't been there either in a while, but maybe before too long. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm probably still caught a little bit in the 5 o'clock rush, rush hour. It's not real bad though. Part of that's over, but not all of it. Oh, here we go. So I'm not sure why we're stopping on green. Okay. But if you'll notice, they have done so much to help this road right here. See the road, the lanes? They've done a beautiful job on this. It didn't used to look like this at all. And then to the left over there, you probably couldn't see it, but that's where they're building the big shopping center. I don't know what all will go in there, but I'm excited for it. If I'm still alive when they get it finished and everything, I'll be happy for that. And thank you for riding along with me. Hope you subscribe to my channel, and I hope you give this video a like. I hope you watch it. Thank you. I'm just really happy making my ride-alongs again. Riding along with Sharon. Feels good when I'm talking to you like you're really with me. Thank you.